Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your computer teacher of class 3rd. This is your lecture number 3. Open book, page number 30, chapter number 4, more on Windows 7. Microsoft Word. Windows is one of the most popular operating systems in the world. It is a computer program or software. Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows operating system. When you switch on a computer, after a few seconds, the operating system is loaded into the computer memory. While loading, the system is loaded into the computer memory. The picture of the Windows logo appears on the screen. After a few more seconds, you will see some text scrolling on the screen. A blue colored window screen appears with small pictures on it. This screen is called desktop and the small pictures are called icons. Let us now understand the desktop and icons in detail with the help of an example. Desktop. A desktop is the first screen which appears on the monitor when you switch on your computer. It is the main screen in Windows with many small pictures on it called icons. It is similar to any other desk or table that you work on. For example, a student study table usually would have some books, pencils, eraser, ruler arranged on the top of it, which helps the student to use them as and when needed. Icons. Icons are small pictures that represent a specific application, program, a file or folder which allows you to access data quickly. Icons act like shortcuts to various programs, just as a bookmark helps you to locate the page you want instantly. Icons too help to open a program through an icon. You just need to double click on the icon. My computer. You will find an overall view of all the drives when you double click on this icon. Recycle bin. The recycle bin icon represents the dustbin where we put in all the trash. When we delete a file or a folder, they are stored in the recycle bin. The taskbar. It is located at the bottom of the screen. It contains the start button and a clock. It displays the buttons of the program you are currently working on. For example, if the Paint and WordPad programs are open, then the taskbar would look as shown in the picture below. Start button. As the name suggests, this button is used to start any program. It is placed on the left corner of the taskbar. When you click the Start button, a menu appears which consists of various programs. Some of these programs have an arrow symbol next to them which indicates that it has more subtopics to the program. Another list of the programs appears when you place the mouse pointer on this arrow. This menu is known as submenu. The different parts of a Windows program's application are: number 1, title bar; number 2, control menu; number 3, control buttons; number 4, the ribbon; number 5, quick access toolbar; number 6, scroll bars; number 7, document area. When you start a program, a window of that program appears. All Windows applications have some common features and commands. Now we have to understand some of these features with an example of a WordPad window. Number 1, title bar. The title bar is located at the top of the window. On the left side of the bar is displayed the name of the program and the document you are currently working on. On the right hand side of this bar are 3 buttons called the control buttons. Number 2, control buttons. There are 3 control buttons which help you increase or decrease the size of the window and also close the window. They are Minimize button. This button is used to reduce and hide the window to the program button on the taskbar. Step to minimize the WordPad window. Click the minimize button on the WordPad window as shown in the figure. The program button appears on the taskbar as shown below after minimizing. If you want to restore a window after you have minimized it, click the button of the window on the taskbar. The window reappears. Maximize. This button is used to increase the size of the window to full screen. Step 2. Maximize a WordPad window. Click on the button on the screen as shown below. Close button. This button is used to close a window. Step 2. Close a WordPad window. Click the close button at the right corner of the title bar of WordPad window. Now start copyright. Open your computer copy, draw a margin line, mention date, chapter number 4, more on Windows 7. Write question number 1, what is desktop? Answer, desktop is the first screen which displays on the monitor when you switch on your computer. Right. Question number 2, what is an icon? Answer, the main screen in Windows has many small pictures called icons. These icons represent a specific application, a file or a folder which allows data to be accessed quickly. Question number 3, what is the function of the cross button? Answer, the cross or close button is used to close the open window. Question number 4, name 3 control buttons on the title bar. Answer, the 3 control buttons on the title bar are minimize, maximize and close buttons. Students, this is the end of today's lecture. Complete your work and submit it on time. Allah Hafiz.